Good day, students. Welcome to this JSS 1 mathematics lesson on the angular classification of triangles. A triangle is the simplest polygon, 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. But not all triangles are the same. In this lesson, we classify triangles by their angles and by their sides, prove key theorems about triangle angles, and apply these to solve problems. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to classify triangles as acute-angled, right-angled, or obtuse-angled, classify triangles as equilateral, isosceles, or scaling, prove that the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees, apply the exterior angle theorem, and solve multi-step problems involving triangle angles. Let us begin. Classification by angles. Acute-angled triangle, all 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. Example, 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 50 degrees. Right-angled triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degrees. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, it is the longer side. Example, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Obtuse-angled triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. The other 2 must be acute and must sum to less than 90 degrees. Example, 110 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees. Note, a triangle can have at most one right angle or one obtuse angle. If one angle is 90 degrees or more, the other 2 must both be acute. Classification by sides. Equilateral triangle, all 3 sides equal. All 3 angles equal 60 degrees. A special case of isosceles. Isosceles triangle, 2 sides equal. The angles opposite the equal sides, base angles, are also equal. Example, sides 5 cm, 5 cm, 7 cm. Scaling triangle, all 3 sides different. All 3 angles are also different. Combined descriptions. A triangle can be both isosceles and acute. Example, 70 degrees, 70 degrees, 40 degrees with 2 equal sides. A right-angled isosceles triangle has angles 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and 2 equal legs. An equilateral triangle is always acute-angled. Angle sum theorem. The sum of all 3 interior angles of any triangle equals 180 degrees. Proof, using parallel lines, draw triangle ABC. Through vertex A, draw a line D parallel to BC. Angle DAB equals angle ABC, alternate angles, D is parallel to BC. Angle EAC equals angle ACB, alternate angles, D is parallel to BC. Angle DAB plus angle BAC plus angle EAC equals 180 degrees, straight line DAE. Therefore angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equals 180 degrees. QED. Exterior angle theorem. An exterior angle of a triangle is formed by extending one side. Theorem. The exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the 2 non-adjacent, remote interior, angles. Proof. In triangle ABC, extend BC to D so that angle ACD is the exterior angle. Angle ACD plus angle ACB equals 180 degrees, straight line BCD. Angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB equals 180 degrees, angle sum of triangle. From and, angle ACD equals angle A plus angle B, QED. This is extremely useful. If you know 2 interior angles, the exterior angle at the 3rd vertex equals their sum. Isosceles triangle theorem. Theorem, if 2 sides of a triangle are equal, the base angles are equal. Proof, in isosceles triangle ABC, AB equals AC. Let the perpendicular from A meet BC at M. In triangles ABM and ACM, AB equals AC, given, AM equals AM, common, angle AMB equals angle AMC equals 90 degrees. Therefore triangles ABM and ACM are congruent, RHS. So angle ABM equals angle ACM. QED. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Finding unknown angles. Example 1, in triangle PQR, angle P equals 55 degrees, angle Q equals 70 degrees. Find angular and classify the triangle. Angular equals 180 degrees minus 55 to 70 degrees equals 55 degrees. Since angle P equals angular equals 55 degrees, triangle is isosceles, and acute angled, since all angles less than 90 degrees. Example 2. The exterior angle of a triangle is 135 degrees. One of the non-adjacent angles is 80 degrees. Find the other non-adjacent angle. Exterior angle equals sum of two remote interior angles. 135 degrees equals 80 degrees plus x equals 55 degrees. Third angle, at the vertex of the exterior angle, equals 180 degrees minus 135 degrees equals 45 degrees. Check, 80 degrees plus 55 degrees plus 45 degrees equals 180 degrees. Example 3. In isosceles triangle XYZ, xy equals xz, and angle y equals 3a plus 10 degree. Angle x equals a plus 20 degree. Find all angles. Since xy equals xz, the base angles are angle y and angle z. So angle y equals angle z. Angle sum, angle x plus angle y plus angle z equals 180 degrees. A plus 20 plus 3a plus 10 plus 3a plus 10 equals 180. 7a plus 40 is equal to 180, 7a equals 140, a equals 20. Angle x equals 40 degrees. Angle y equals angle z equals 70 degrees. Sum equals 40 plus 70 equals 180 degrees. Classification, acute angled isosceles. Example 4, one angle of a right angle triangle is 2x plus 15 degree. Find x if the third angle is 8x plus 30 degree. Right angle equals 90 degrees. Sum, 90 plus open parenthesis 2 times plus 15 close parenthesis plus x plus 30 equals 180. 3x plus 135 is equal to 180. 3x equals 45. X equals 15. Angles, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. This is a right-angled isosceles triangle. 3 examination questions. Example 1. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 7. Find each angle and classify the triangle. Sum equals 180 degrees. Ratio parts, 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 12. Each part equals 180/12 equals 15 degrees. Angles, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 105 degrees. Classification, obtuse angled scaling triangle, all sides different since all angles different, 105 degrees greater than 90 degrees. Example 2, in the diagram, AB is parallel to CD. Triangle AEC has angle A equals 40 degrees and angle C equals 65 degrees. AB is extended to B and CD is extended to D. Find angle AEC and the exterior angle of the triangle at E. Angle AEC equals 180 degrees minus 40 to 65 degrees equals 75 degrees. Exterior angle at E equals 180 degrees minus 75 degrees equals 105 degrees. Verify using exterior angle theorem, 40 degrees plus 65 degrees equals 105 degrees. Example 3, in triangle MNO, MN equals MO, angle N equals 4x minus 8 degree and angle O equals 3x plus 12 degree. Find the angles and the type of triangle. Since MN equals MO, base angles angle N and angle O, weight, MN equals MO means the apex is M. The base is NO. Base angles are angle N and angle O. Angle N equals angle O, 4x minus 8 equals 3x plus 12. X equals 20. Angle N equals angle O equals 72 degrees. Angle M equals 180 minus 72 equals 36 degrees. Acute angled isosceles triangle. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Thinking an obtuse triangle is impossible. It is perfectly valid. One angle exceeds 90 degrees, the other two are acute and together sum to less than 90 degrees. A triangle cannot have two obtuse angles, since two angles greater than 90 degrees would already exceed 180 degrees. Mistake 2. Confusing base angles in an isosceles triangle. The base angles are at the ends of the unequal side. The apex angle is between the two equal sides. If MN equals NO, two equal sides, the apex is N, and base angles are at M and O, not at N. Mistake 3. Applying the exterior angle theorem to the adjacent interior angle. The exterior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. The adjacent angle, at the same vertex, is the supplement, they add to 180 degrees. Excellent work. Summary. Triangles by angles, acute, all less than 90 degrees, right or 1 equals 90 degrees, obtuse, 1 greater than 90 degrees. Triangles by sides, equilateral, all equal, all 60 degrees, isosceles, 2 equal, base angles equal, scaling, all different. Angle sum theorem, all interior angles sum to 180 degrees, proved via parallel lines. Isosceles, 2 equal sides base angles equal. Exterior angle theorem, exterior angle equals sum of two remote interior angles. For homework, A. Angles of a triangle are 3x degree, x plus 10 degree, and 2x minus 4 degree. Find x and each angle. Classify the triangle. B. The exterior angle of a triangle is 115 degrees and one remote interior angle is 60 degrees. Find all angles. C. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equals BC. If angle A equals 52 degrees, find angle B and angle C. Attempt the quiz on your LMS. Keep studying hard. Visit LightTech Academy at academy.lightech.com.ng for more NERDC-approved lessons from JSS 1 to SS3. Powered by LightTech Solutions Limited. Until next time.